welcome back to Rosa's Beauty Fashion and welcome back to Fashion Friday. Okay, so this is going to be, a fashion try on video, okay? And I do those sometimes because I don't like always doing the same thing on Fashion Friday. I like to, mix things up a little bit, so, and if I ever do like if I ever have a fashion haul, I will do it on a Fashion Friday, okay? So just to let y'all know that. Okay, and I also want to say this is a try-on, okay? This is try-on, you can see it in the title. And of course, there'll be pictures, like I said at the beginning, showing what I'm wearing today, my fashion outfit. And I had to film the modeling with the stuff I bought in two separate videos, so yeah, so I do have a different pair of jeans on, and this one, that one. I'm not going to go all into it because, like I said, I always say I don't like to talk a lot, make my videos so long, but I just have to do that. So, okay. But anyways, I ordered from Shaunzboutique again. I absolutely love her, and I love the website. As a matter of fact, I am going to insert a picture of her right there. Okay, so yeah, that's her. Isn't she beautiful? She's just stunning, honey. Okay, so here's my package, okay? All right, I always put duct tape over the names and stuff like that, so I don't like to show anything, so. All right, there's only two things, so, it's not going to be a long video. Oh, and by the way, do you guys like my square white earrings? Yeah. Spring and fall, here we come with the big earrings. They're trendy. The big earrings are what's in, right? So I gotta wear them. I love them though. I love them. I mean, I just don't wear things because they're in trend. I wear them because I like them, and I like them. No, I don't like them. I love them. Okay, I'm very sorry for the bag noise, you guys. I hate for you guys to hear the bag noise, but All right, so I ordered. You ready? I ordered another queen T-shirt, as you see in the white, and it has the queen in the silver. Has the bling. I don't know if you can really see the bling. It's more like a kind of a shimmery, kind of like, and I love it. Love, love, love. Okay, so that will be tried on, okay? And then, wait till you see this. This is cute. Another bag noise. Okay. This is darling. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, on her site, this is called Big Red, okay? So, yeah. Is that Big Red or what? It is a little, bag. It's actually a wristlet bag, okay? It goes on your wrist. You carry it on your wrist, okay? I know how to carry all my bags. There's certain bags you carry with a handle, there's certain bags. If you carry them with, if they have a handle on them, you don't put them on your shoulder. If I could go over all this stuff because I know all my fashion things because I model so much. I know, all my terminology, like, how nurses know terminology. Well, I know all my fashion terminology. And I'm going to say this real quick. I hate to say it, but I have this girl that copies all my words. Everything I say, she copies, but it's so funny. But that's a whole nother video. No, okay. If I say, there's hardware on my purse, gold hardware, she going to say it. Yeah, but I guess I'm teaching people, so that's good, right? Okay, but anyways, yeah, this is it has gold hardware on it, and it is like I said, a wristlet, and I love it. Okay, see, here it is right here, and you can connect it. It has all the gold hardware, and you can you put this on here. I know you're not gonna be able to see it close up, so I'm not even gonna try. Okay, and it goes like this. Isn't that darling? Look at that beautiful gold hardware. Isn't it darling? Darling, that's the back. Yeah, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And it's a faux, like leather, it's not real leather, of course. So, yeah, and you can see the design on it. It's really pretty. Okay, so, in the inside, I did take the paper out only because, I didn't want to waste the time doing that. It does have the crossbody strap, okay? It has the red right there, okay? And then it has the gold hardware chains, okay? So you can hook them onto the bag. And when I model it, like I said, I had to do this in two videos, so I show it, carrying it as a wristlet and as a crossbody. So yeah. I'm sorry I had to say that, but I have a big time copycat, but like I said, it's just crazy. Everybody thinks it's crazy. But yeah. So yeah, so here is it with the chain on it, you know, like I said, I will, when I model it, you'll really be able to see it, you know, and then you unhook this in the back and hook it to the back. But yeah, when you, like I said, when I model it, you'll see everything. So I'm going to be trying on the shirt, the queen shirt, and for fashion queen, that's why I got it. So many people call me fashion queen, you know. But anyway, so I love the black one so much. I got so many compliments on it, so I thought, you know what, I want to get the white one too, because summer's coming. You know, we're in spring now, but summer's coming, so it looked nice with my tan, I figure, right? Yeah, and I love red. Black and red are my favorite colors, so when I seen that, I had to have it. Yeah, and like I said, I don't know if I said at the beginning, but I did order from her 3 times already. And yeah, she's just such a beautiful person, you know, inside and out. But I am going to put her link down below for her website. I will put her YouTube channel, okay? She does like fashion on her YouTube. She does makeup. I mean, she does really beautiful makeup looks. So yeah, she's very talented and very sweet and very nice. So yeah, and then I'm also going to put her Instagram link, okay? So go check her out and, you know, tell her that Rosasbeautyfashion sent you, okay? And I also have a coupon code for her website, okay, that she gave me. And I will put that right there, but I will also put it down in the bottom. So, okay, so I don't want to make this too long because, like I said, I got to do the try on too, so, you know. All right, so I love you all so much, but like I always say, God loves you more, okay? All right, so stay happy, healthy, positive, and keep your faith, okay? Especially right now what's going on. You must keep your faith, okay? Yeah, so, all right, so I will see you all in my next video. All right, are you ready for this try-on? All right, here we go. Bam. Let's do it.
Let's do it.